to make the perfect slushie. Lee here from the Slushie Specialists. I want to share with you the 3 top tips on how to create the perfect slush. The first thing you need to know is about the Brix level. The Brix level is the sugar level. If the sugar level is too high, the mix won't freeze because the sugar acts as an antifreeze. If the sugar level is too low, the machine will overfreeze. This is the same as adding straight water into the machine. It will overfreeze and become a solid ice block, doing damage to either the auger spiral or the gearbox, whichever gives way first. So the optimal Brix level is between 12 and 14%. The next tip is to use a high quality mix. We recommend a 5:1 ratio, meaning adding a 1 part concentrate to 5 parts water. The mix that we have here is the Fruchilla and Fruchilla Natural ranges. They have been designed with premium quality ingredients to create the most delicious flavours while going further than the 3 and 4:1 mixes. At ICMate, we supply easy mixing calibration bottles to ensure that you and your staff create the same great consistent mix every time. Making sure this is bang on every time is essential. The third tip is the density setting. This should be set low. We want to allow the product to be a loose frozen consistency. We don't want high peaks because the thicker the mix is, the longer it takes to come out of the machine. And the flavour is not as intense. So to recap, the 3 tips in making the perfect slushie is to have the right Brix level, quality mix, and to have the right density settings. We hope you found this helpful. Check out our other slushie content on YouTube and directly on our website. And if we can be any further assistance to you, please reach out and we'd be happy to help. Have a great day.